Have you ever looked at a contract and asked yourself, how long does this agreement truly last and what happens if someone needs to end it early? In business contracts, the term defines the duration or lifespan of the agreement, clearly stating when it begins and when it is set to conclude. Termination conditions, on the other hand, are clauses that specify the circumstances and procedures under which either party can legally end the contract before its natural expiration, providing a crucial escape route or exit strategy. These provisions are fundamental because they establish the predictable boundaries and protective mechanisms for all involved parties. The term provides certainty regarding commitment duration, which is vital for planning and resource allocation. Termination conditions serve as a critical risk management tool, allowing for an orderly separation if circumstances change or if one party fails to uphold its obligations. Without clear rules for both, contracts can become indefinite burdens or lead to costly disputes when relationships sour or goals shift. To effectively manage your agreements, first, always clearly define the initial term, whether it is a fixed period, perpetual until terminated, or renewable. Second, meticulously outline the specific events that trigger termination, such as a breach of contract, mutual agreement, or insolvency. Third, establish precise procedures for termination, including required notice periods, the format for giving notice, and any cure periods that allow a defaulting party to fix an issue before the contract is ended. Lastly, consider any post-termination obligations, like confidentiality or return of property. A valuable insight is to understand the difference between termination for cause and termination for convenience. Termination for cause usually means one party has failed to perform their duties as agreed, such as non-payment or a breach of confidentiality. Termination for convenience, however, allows a party to end the contract without a specific fault, often requiring them to pay a predetermined fee or compensation to the other party, an important distinction for maintaining flexibility. Also, pay attention to survival clauses, which dictate which contract provisions, like indemnification or intellectual property rights, continue even after the agreement officially ends. By understanding and carefully crafting the term and termination conditions, you are essentially building a sturdy framework around your business relationships, ensuring that commitments are clear, expectations are managed, and potential disagreements can be resolved systematically, protecting your interests and fostering reliable partnerships.